welcome to this stupid ass tutorial. I am gonna teach you how to, hold on, let me just fucking zoom out a bit. I'm gonna teach you how to import your very own, which was it? Your very own animations into fucking VNyan, like this. Now, hold on, there we go, it's slightly better. Now this animation over here is broken, so, just keep that in mind. Oops. I was not meant to do that. I was meant to do this. Yeah. I'm gonna teach you how to import your own animation into VNyan. So let's get started. Now I wanna keep something in mind. I'm gonna be using an animation from Mixamo for this stupid tutorial. And yeah, something you okay, so if you're using an animation from Mixamo instead of making your own, just go for without skin and keep everything the same, or maybe modify it a little bit. That's up to you. I'm gonna just download it, and there we go. It's downloading. So after you have your animation, sorry about my browser. What you want to do is get Unity and make sure you're using the version 2019.4.31F1. That's the version you need for this thing. So I'm just gonna name mine Mixamo VNyan test. Oops, test. That's what I'm gonna name my project. You can name it whatever you want. It really does not matter, like at all. The name does not matter. Okay, so once you've opened up Unity and everything is ready, what you wanna do is, hold on, let me just find the folder. It's in here. What you wanna do is download the VNyan SDK for Unity, the Unity package. So once you've downloaded that, just drag it in here, press all if you want, and then import. Wait for it to import. You can do it. I know it's hard. Okay, loaded. Okay, so now what you wanna do after it's imported, you want to right click over here. You want to create a new folder. Okay, well this is optional, but I recommend it. And called animations, or whatever the fuck you want it to be called. Open that folder, get your FBX animation, drag it in here, and boom, you have your animation. But we have to do some things. Drag it into your Unity scene, and what you want to do now is click on the prefab over here. You want to change the animation type to humoroid, apply, and then configure. I think that's what it says. Make sure to save it, and let's just see if everything's matching up. So the head is fine. If you're using a Mixamo animation, then everything should be in the perfect slots. But if something like if the left arm is in the right arm, make sure to fix that. It all depends on the bone names. Okay, so now after you've done that, you want to go in here. You want to add a component. I can't read. And you wanna type in anim, and then select VNyan injected anim. There you go. And make sure it's also on. Make sure that the script is on this right here. You know, the top thing. I don't know how to describe this. Now, after you've done that, you want to select your animation clip, which should be the Mixamo one if you're using Mixamo, or if you're using a custom animation, that should be the custom body animation thingy, and then give your animation a name. So I'm just gonna call it Mixamo Dance Thing Test. And then make sure to have this selected, go to VNyan SDK and export injected anim. And you can, and then just save it. It should take some time to export, depending on your computer. I personally have a beast for computers, which is a good thing. So everything goes fast. I'm not trying to flex. Yeah. Okay, now it should be working, so let's test it out. Hi, I'm back in Minecraft. So now press the little H if the little buttons are hidden. Now go to node graphs. I'm using the latest VNyan version, by the way, so yeah, just to let you know. And now you can set up your nodes. I personally have a hotkey connected to play animation. You need the play animation, obviously, so you can actually play your animation. Now I'm gonna just change this to... Oh wait, I almost forgot. If VNyan is already open, you have to go into general settings, MISC, and reload items. There we go, now everything's reloaded. Well, the assets are, you get my point. Now go back to node graphs, and it should be in here. It should be somewhere in here. Mixamo, where are you? Oh, I can't find it. I can't find it. I cannot find it. Great. Okay, so I haven't tested this before. So if you can't... Wait, where did I save? Hold the fuck on. This is such a bad tutorial, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I have saved... Okay, so make sure to save it in the in this little location. You know, where VNyan's animation folder is. Make sure to save it in there. And what you gotta do after you've saved your file and done all of that, what you gotta do, it turns out, is that you have to like restart VNyan if it's already open. So allow me to do that. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back once again. Okay, so it turns out that instead of reloading assets, you have to just reopen VNyan. You have to restart it. So I'm gonna select this, and now if everything is working, you have to just press your little button, and there you go, you're dancing. Now I know this looks a little junky, but that's because I'm a furry. So yeah, on a Viroid avatar or a, you know, one with human legs, it will look fine.